What's up, YouTube? This little twin with a super quick update and parts unboxing. Since I ain't made a post in about 6 months and everybody think I done fell off the planet, I'm gonna show y'all what I've been doing lately. Let me turn this camera around so I can get all this on film and let y'all see what I'm doing. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. Okay. First box, Speedway Motors. Whole lot of fast shit getting ready to go on. Y'all see that photo bomb of that Comp Cam box over there? But yeah, my new breeder's coming in. Y'all have to look at one of my old videos, probably a poster or something, to figure out what kind of motor I got. They take a breather this big, 1/8 breather. Yeah, I got two of them. Put this on back in the box so I won't lose or scratch it up. Then the UPS man just left. Got me an old oil pump here. All nice, clean screen. Brazed in right there. Damn, the seat out the way. Brazed in right there. So it won't vibrate loose while I'm riding that junk. Yeah, it's a high volume oil pump. With the new rod. And the locks. So that's a good thing. Now we finna get on over here to the Comp Cam box. I ain't gonna show that, cause that pretty much tell you what the size it is. Just know it's a cam. It ain't no old baby cam. It's one of them motherfuckers sound like popcorn popping. I ain't gonna tell you what size motor I am. I just let you know I got a 305 with some good heads. Okay. See the steel retainers. Poof. Brand new set of valve seals. So when I crank it up, it won't be smoking in the morning and all that. 16 of them things. Brand new timing chain set. Double rolling flow. How you open this junk? Okay. Doo-doo-doo. They got the box tape. Break out the old trusty cutter. Even though I put a new timing chain on the motor before it fell on my hand. 3-screw keyway. That. 0. Advanced and retarded. Everybody already know me know. I'm retarded, but I'm gonna build this motor and set the timing at 0. So this bitch gonna eat. I'm gonna set my timing. Probably. I don't know, but more likely gonna be set at 0. Put that back in there. These two back in there. Brand new set of valve springs. Crack this joint all open. See how many tape marks it got? Just one. Ooh. There we go. Oh, here. $16 of them things. Then they bronze. Too bad the motor ain't bronze, but still nice and pretty. What are these? Doom, 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 doom. Some locks. 16 of them. Brand new set of lifters. Crack this joint on open. These gonna look like shells. I'm about to go get probably a Tupperware dish or something and load these junks up. All 16 of them and put 2 quarts of oil in them and let the air bubbles bleed out of them. I ain't finna sit there and press them down like that. I'm just gonna let them sit there and gravity bleed all the bubbles out. There go the part numbers for that. Ooh. Ooh, I almost just gave the code away. But I'm just gonna say this, no, I ain't talking to you, I'm doing a YouTube video, girl.
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
Yeah, I ain't gonna give y'all the specs of the cam. Cause that's the meat and potatoes of your motor, if anybody know anything about a motor. I'm gonna open this box and let y'all look at this piece of jewelry. I ain't trying to drop this junk cause I don't want to pay for another one. Oh shit, I almost showed the spec card again. But, oh yeah. About to be a whole lot of fast shit going on. Yeah, a little 3 or 5 good heads. Now I just need to go get me some push rods. But yeah, this ain't nothing but a little quick parts update and unboxing. Oh yeah. Everybody in Memphis back in the days, those them air horns sound like. So I just had to go get me one. I got a single trumpet. 118 decibels. A bitch move. But yeah, just a little quick parts update. Little twin, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.